Sir, OECD is
It's already said.
See, I will tell you that you may remember there was one railway minister called C.K. Jafar Sharif, union minister. आणि त्याने 2 स्टाफ वयलो देखून व्हडले मॅटर जाल्ले करप्शन केस गायल्ले that you selected these people and went, and Supreme Court said a minister has a right to choose anybody to travel with him because he has to do office work when he travels. So I said this, when a minister travels and your staff goes with you, I have no problem. But I had an objection when an OSD travels and the minister is not traveling. For what purpose? You understand me? I also saw that there was some advisor to some IT or something also which I had not picked up at that time, but later in the night I looked, some advisor also traveled in some other trip. Why are these wasteful expenditures being done? And then you pick and choose? I don't know whether these people traveled taking families along. I don't want to say that they took families at the cost of the government, but you know how the extension of courtesies come, where everything comes free afterwards when you travel like this. So I don't know whether it was a holiday, whether it was a genuine concern, because there's no question the minister can't delegate powers to his OSD to go and see. Either he goes or he doesn't go.
demand.
So gold smuggling, हांव असिस्टंट सोलिसिटर जनरल आशिल्लो तेन्ना हांव पासून कॉफी पोजा मॅटर्स डिटेन्शन आशिल्लें तेन्ना हांव फकत गोंय न्ही मुंबय गेलो आनी दिल्ली पासून गेलो टू डिफेंड द एक्शन्स ऑफ द डिटेन्शन्स एंड आय सक्सिडेड इन ईच ऑफ द मॅटर्स. I went on behalf of the customs department, so I know these kind of things do happen, but who are involved, who are the players, I can't make a statement. But there is one more thing which I want to say to you is that in my time, which I had noticed, a lot of people coming from Bhatkal side, especially Bhatkal side, were getting involved in this kind of gold smuggling. Some of them were very poor, and one of the most difficult cases was where they did a switch of passing gold in a transit lounge. You understand? Somebody from Dubai was going to Qatar and somebody from Qatar was coming to India. If you pass through the security check, they immediately alert the government of India officials, this man is carrying gold and coming to India. So Kizada, once you go in through security and you are in that waiting lounge area for boarding flight, in the transit lounge Muchatila. So he has come from another country into Qatar to come into India without anything. And one fellow traveling from Dubai via Qatar to go to some other place. So at the transit lounge they meet, they exchange. So no customs has intercepted, no customs has seen. And then questions came about jurisdiction, whether the government of, the central government of India had jurisdiction or not. These kind of very high profile, and I succeeded in this matter, that we still could have the jurisdiction and get that. But I don't want to, unless you have some specific instance of gold smuggling, I don't want to make a comment A, B or C is involved.
So इतको सिरियस आहे की काल तुमच्यात एमपीन सेशनान एक काढलो की गोंयचो कॅबिनेट मिनिस्टर OSD जो स्मगलिंगेन इन्वॉल्ड आहा
तेका विचारूंक पडटलें कित्याक डिटेल्स हांव फॉरेन नेना. असं जाल्यार देन आय डोंट थिंक इट इज करेक्ट. बट मुजेन कमेंट मारूं जायना कित्याक दॅट इज प्रॉपर थिंग इज तेका विचारपाक तो विशय तेणें रेस केला तो आन्सर दितलो कोण तो कॅबिनेट मिनिस्टर.
Gold smuggling is happening, okay?
See, it's not that it's not happening. We are seeing it. Sometimes there are small quantities, sometimes there are large quantities. Sometimes I've seen that they are actually poor people carrying to make a few bucks, extra bucks. The players are big, they hide in the back. So they pay them something, they take the risk.
सीझर इतल्या प्रमाणात जायना. सीझर इतल्या प्रमाणात जायना म्हणटा.
They are using other ports of entry. Airport can be and seaport can be. You understand? Port of entry can be various.
सर एनईपी तुम्ही काल सपोज केला आणि जे प्रॉपर इम्प्लिमेंटेशन ना तेका तुम्ही अपोज केला एक्झॅक्टली.
हांव आनी डिमांड जरी आसा त्या दिसा हांव मात स्पिकराक मागतलो मातशें टायम दी म्हण. टॉपीक बाय टॉपीक हांव ब्रेकअप करतलो सांगपाक कितें हिशोब आहा कित्याक सरकारान करूं जाता ना म्हणना. दे कॅन इवन in this transition period they can work out And I think that if we are all together on one page, we can get a happy resolution for a proper implementation of any plan. Thank you.
Total code about 20 cities.